So today's DIY project is going to be to try to come up with some kind of artwork for this wall. The problems are we have two light switches here and a thermostat that sticks out. So I can't really hang a normal photo or painting here because the thermostat's in the way. So I did have some up higher before and that looked dumb. So now I've got this bright idea. This frame is deep. It goes way in. And it's deep enough that it would cover the thermostat without touching it. So that's what we're going to work on today. Hi everybody, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Peach and I make videos about having fun at any age. The problem with our project today is that this piece, which I picked up for $12 somewhere, only because the frame was so deep, is three-dimensional. It's raised on these little parts here. So if I want to just paste a photo on top of this, it's not going to stick because this isn't flat. So our challenge is to try and make this flat enough for a photograph to glue on. So I asked the internet how to do this, and the internet said you can sand it or shave it. So we're going to give that a try. So our highly specialized and professional tools for this project are a face razor, a leg razor, and some fine grit sandpaper. So I think we've got it pretty well done. If you got it just right, just under the paint, then a whole bunch of it would peel up, and that worked pretty well. It's smooth. I don't feel any lumps. I did tear the canvas in a couple little places over here. There's one in there, but I don't think those will be a problem. Okay, the frame is painted. Here's the photo we're going to glue onto it. A magnolia. So I've got these little brackets, and what I'm thinking is if I put two of these here, and then I can just slide this thing on and off when I need to get at it. So do you think that'll work? Let's try it. Somewhere in there. Does anybody know why they make some screws with Phillips and some screws with flatheads? Can't they standardize that? Does anybody else always hammer a nail hole before you put a screw in to make it easier? Et voila. Okay, let's put the picture on. We only use the heaters here a few months out of the year, and I have mine on an automated timer, so I don't need to get at the thermostat very often. So most of the time, the picture will be covering this. Okay, so it's a few hours later. I think the glue is dried. Let's see what we got. Did it work? Okay, let's see how this looks.